Hi class, let's take a look at example 3. In example 3, it's also slightly different than the previous one. In this case, well, they already know how much they actually need at the end of the 6-year period, and what they're asking is how much should they invest. So in this particular problem, they actually want us to find the values of P. Now, this is what you have. So you want that at the end of the actual investing period, you have to have $30,000. T is equal to 6 years. The interest rate is 2.5%. And then N is equal to, it's compounded basically 4 times a year since it is quarterly. Now, the main formula that we have is the formula, well, that actually happens to be the one with the A is equal to P plus 1 plus R over N raised to the NT. So in this particular one, we need to find the actual value of P. So to find the value of P, you basically divide by 1 plus R over N raised to the NT. And you do that to both sides of the equation. So 1 plus R over N divided to the NT. And this is actually R. Okay, so let me rewrite the formula. And what we're actually finding is P, which is equal to A over 1 plus R over N raised to the NT. Okay, so let's plug it in. So P is equal to the $30,000 over 1 plus the value of R. In this case, this is going to be 0.025. And we're looking at 0.025 divided by 4 raised to the NT. So N is 6 years times the values of 4. So clean it up as much as you can. So this is equal to the $30,000 over, and then inside of the parentheses, I'm getting 1 plus 0.025 divided by 4. So this one's a little bit messy. 1.00625. So 625 raised to the 24. That's what you're going to be punching in into the calculator. It's perfectly fine if you evaluate the previous one, but you would actually need an extra set of parentheses there. And you have to make sure that you evaluate it correctly. So 30,000 divided by 1.00625 raised to the 24. I'm getting that this is 25. So 25,833.3. So our final answer is just going to say that the total investment should be well, in this case, 25,833.3. That's how much this individual should put into the account so that by the time the actual CD matures, you have the actual entire money for the tuition. Let me just double check. But that would be it for this one.